Good morning, folks. The Chef Kazi here. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy, authentic, tastiest Caesar salad dressing. Okay. This request came from some people who tried my dressing once. In wedding ceremony, I did some Caesar trays, few trays. So they asked me about the dressing. So I said, okay, I'll do that. So today is the day. I'm going to show you the dressing. I make a very small amount for 4 to 5 people, and you'll see. So main ingredients of the Caesar dressing: good anchovies. I prefer anchovies from Morocco or that area. So I have here 1 ounces. So here I got 1 ounce. And garlic. I prefer US garlic, or Mexico is better. Followed by dry mustard, Tabasco, regular olive oil, and Lee and Perrine's Worcestershire sauce, 3 eggs yolk, and 2 lemon. I mean 1 whole lemon. Okay. So anchovies and garlic already I crusted. Okay. And that's how I make our dressing in front of the customer. He could use the hand blender. Yes, friends, we use our Caesar dressing, we use in front of the customer. Three egg yolk. I just squeeze 1 whole lemon. So folks, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel. If you didn't, hit the like button, press the bell button, share the video. I need your support. Without you, I'm nobody. Okay? So my previous videos, I put French, Thousand Island, balsamic vinaigrette, ranch. All those recipes are there. And I put again the Caesar dressing. So try it and you'll like it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I make my croutons. So make croutons, you need a bread. Any kind of bread, but French I prefer, or baguette, which one we have right now. Croutons you can make for onion soup, will be a little bigger size, and for Caesar salad, smaller size I make. So I have some garlic butter. Make sure there's lots of garlic, if you like garlic. Chopped parsley. So now you can low heat, medium heat oven, preheat oven, toast it for until it's get golden brown. Okay, nice crispy. Some of them get a little charred, but that's fine. Nice flavor. Bacon on my Caesar dressing. And for to taste it. Very nice. Folks, you'll love it. Try in your home. I can put all ingredients and everything in this recipe. Try it. You'll love it. Okay. So this is very short video only for the Caesar dressing. But if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I need your support. Hit the bell button, press the like button, share the video. I counting on you, and have a wonderful day.